Let's first summarize what we have completed so far. We have created virtual private server, then we have installed MongoDB server on it, then we have configured MongoDB server to accept connections to any of the server's IP addresses, then we allowed access to the server itself, I mean connections to the default port 27017, and created admin user in the admin MongoDB database. Now we are ready to go and connect to MongoDB from our computer. Please prepare a following file in the notepad. Here you will see template of the connection string. This file is also attached to this lesson. So you need to use mongo command, then MongoDB, // then username, password, then hostname of the server, and database where this admin user was created. Please note, in order to connect from your computer to remote MongoDB server, you need to have MongoDB Shell installed on your local computer. We have discussed this in the previous section. If you don't have MongoDB installed on your local computer, please go back and install it. Okay, let's take this string, copy to the next line, and let's fill all parts. So username in my case is admin, in your case it is admin as well. Password is secure password, in my case. In your case it should be something different. Then comes hostname. I need to take this hostname from the Amazon EC2 dashboard. I need to go to my server, then click connect, and here is your public DNS name. Just select it and copy. Go back to Notepad and paste instead of hostname. And instead of database, type admin, because admin user is created in admin database. Now we are ready to connect using this command. Just select it, open new window in terminal, and just paste command, like this, and enter. And now you see that I have successfully connected to the remote MongoDB server. You see that I am using MongoDB Shell version 3.4.7 and MongoDB server version is 3.6.4. And I see a warning, Shell and server versions don't match. But no worries, you can use different MongoDB Shell and MongoDB server versions. Okay, let's issue a couple of commands in MongoDB Shell. Show DBs will show us which databases are already created in MongoDB. Or help. This will give us a list of all commands available in the MongoDB Shell. Okay, that's all. You have successfully installed MongoDB on virtual private server, configured it, and connected from your local computer. Next, we will talk about MongoDB in the cloud, or MongoDB as a service. So let's make a pause and go on. See you!